Good morning, all of you. So now, today's class, we are going to study what is gram atomic mass and what is gram molecular mass. So before going to enter into that concept, why we need to study this means, if you want to understand the last concept of this chapter, that is called as mole concept. What is this? Mole concept.
Mole concept.
What is mole? So now, if you want to understand this mole concept, we must know two words called as gram atomic mass, or else we can say gram molecular mass. What we should call? Gram molecular mass.
Molecular.
Try to understand very carefully, guys. Gram atomic mass in the sense of it will be related to, you may be understand. It is purely for what purpose, Ra? It is purely for what purpose? For atoms or individual elements. Do you understand, guys? This is molecular mass. Molecular
molecule.
it is present for what? Molecules means two types of molecules. What is that? It may be a elements or maybe a
Compound.
molecule. That is your. Do you understand, Monish? Everybody? So now, before going to enter into this, now as we know that if we'll take any kind of matter, let me try to understand very carefully, guys. Any kind of matter. So matter is containing what, guys? Matter maybe contains atoms. Yes or no? Matter is maybe contains atoms.
Yes, sir.
Atoms.
Matter maybe contains what we have studied. Matter maybe contains molecules. Yes or no?
Molecules.
Or matter maybe contains ions. Matter maybe contains ions. Yes, Ra. So doesn't matter for us.
Yes,
Maybe
sir.
it contains atoms, maybe it contains molecules, maybe it contains ions. So now, what do you mean by mole means? If you'll take, I will explain you what do you mean by mole means. If you'll take 1 mole of any substance, let me take 1 mole of hydrogen atoms. What is this? 1 mole of hydrogen atoms. Same way, I'm not teaching you mole concept now, but I'm saying what is mole. So 1 mole of hydrogen molecules. What is this, Pradosh? 1 mole of hydrogen
Hydrogen molecules.
molecules. So now, same way, let me take now 1 mole of oxygen atoms. 1 mole of oxygen atoms. Now, 1 mole of oxygen molecules. Elmukil, you understand what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
Same way, let me take now 1 mole of carbon dioxide molecules. What is this? Carbon dioxide molecules. Understand, Ra? Now like this, let it be, let me take etc. Understand, Alana, Darun, Elamukil, everybody, Laksha, call to Mani and Samir.
Yes, sir.
Shruti also immediately they should join. Very important. Now, what is the atomic mass of hydrogen? Anybody can say what is the atomic mass of hydrogen?
So one.
One, sir.
Atomic mass. Everybody, what is atomic mass? Number of atoms of first element into atomic mass of first element. So what is atomic mass here? Which is equals
1, sir.
yes, sir.
One U.
What is the atomic mass of this molecular mass? What is the molecular mass here?
2, sir.
The molecular
2, sir. 2.
2 into 1 U, which is equal to 2U. Yes or no? Ra? Same way.
Yes, sir.
Oxygen.
Yes, sir.
Oxygen atoms. What is the atomic mass? Everybody?
Sir,
Sir,
16.
16, sir.
Atomic
16.
mass, which is equals to what? 1 into 6, which is equals to 6U.
16U.
What is the molecular mass of O2?
Sir, 32.
Sir, 32.
Molecular mass. Others also should respond. Not understanding, you have to ask me. Very important concept. So molecular mass, as we know, already taught you. So number of atoms are how many, Ra? Number of atoms are 2. So
2
2
into 16.
is equals to 16U. Is somebody called to Tamil Selvan also? Tell them to join. So that is. Understand, Jayvarshini? Alana?
Sir, 32U, sir.
Yeah, 32.
32, sir.
Yeah, 32U. Now, same way, what is the molecular mass of carbon dioxide? Anybody? Molecular mass, please
Sir,
respond.
44.
Sir, 44.
44U.
So molecular mass of
44
carbon
U.
dioxide, which is equals to what is the molecular mass, Ra?
12 plus 32, 44, sir.
12 plus oxygen, how much, Ra? 2 into 16, which is
Into
equals to, so 12 plus 16,
12 plus 16.
which is equals to 44.
20.
Do you understand,
Sir,
Ra?
2 into 16 is 32, sir.
Ah, yes, yes, yes. 32, if you'll do, which is equals to 44u. Yes or no, guys? Please respond me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I want to explain you with the help of this only. I want to explain you gram atomic mass and gram molecular mass. So what do you mean by gram atomic mass or gram molecular mass means? So tell me these values all. These all values 1u, 2u, 16u like that. These values tell me. So 1u, this is what? Next 2u. Next one is what?
2u,
16u.
16u,
U,
32u,
This is what?
44u.
4u. Correct, Amma? So this is what we
Yes,
should
sir.
call atomic mass, or we can say what? Molecular mass. Correct, guys? Atomic mass or molecular mass. Now, try to understand very carefully, guys. Here, if we'll take this atomic mass in grams, if we'll take this atomic mass in what? Grams.
Grams.
Understand, Ra? That is only called as gram atomic mass. What is it called?
Gram atomic mass.
Understand, Ra? So gram atomic mass means the amount of substance whose mass in grams is numerically equals to its atomic mass. Do you understand, Ra? That's all. That is called as gram atomic mass. So whatever the atomic mass is present, that is, we are assuming in the form of what, Ra? In the form of grams. Understanding? That is only called as gram atomic mass. What we should call? Gram atomic.
Gram atomic mass.
So 1 gram. Now this 2u. 2u equals to what, Ra? 2
2
gram.
gram.
16u. 16 equals to what, Ra? 16 grams. Do you
10
understand,
gram.
everybody? Please respond me. Next,
Yes, sir.
32
Sir.
you what?
32 gram.
2 grams.
32G,
44 you
44 gram.
44G,
44 grams. Not Jira day. Grams. What is that? Grams.
Grams.
Is grams. Now, this is atom. So that is why this is called as what? Gram atomic mass. What we should call?
gram atomic mass,
Gram atomic mass.
Mass. Now this is molecule. So that what we should call this one? Gram
Gram molecular mass.
Molecular mass.
molecule. Gram
Yes,
molecular.
sir.
Now this is also atom. Then what is this called as?
Gram atomic mass.
Do you understand, everybody? Gram atomic mass. Now, sir, why are you teaching this, sir? So you may try to understand very carefully, guys. Atomic mass, molecular mass, if you consider in the form of grams, in the form of grams, that is what we should call it as what? Gram atomic mass or gram molecular mass. Yes or no? Please respond me, Laksha. Jayavarsini,
Yes, sir.
understand?
Yes,
Everybody
sir.
there? Now, as I said, if you take 1 mole of hydrogen, what is the atomic mass? 1u. Yes or no, guys?
1 U. 1
Yes,
gram.
sir.
As we know, Avogadro number. Can anybody say what is Avogadro number? Please respond me.
So 6.022 into 10 power
0.022
23
into
particles.
23 particles.
23 particles. Yes or no? So Avogadro number means, so 6.022 into 10 power 23. So please all of you remember this. What is this? 6.022 into 10 power 23 particles. What is this called as? Avogadro number.
Avogadro number.
Avogadro number. So why I am saying this means, so here if you'll observe, gram atomic mass, what I said, atomic mass we are considering in which units, Ra? Which units? Gram. This is
Grams.
called as gram atomic mass. Molecular mass we are considering in the form of grams. That is called as what? Gram
Gram
molecule.
molecular
Gram
mass.
molecular mass.
Now, if we'll take, for example, let me take hydrogen. Hydrogen I am taking 1 mole. How many hydrogens I am taking, Ra? 1 mole
1
of
mole.
hydrogen. So what do you mean by 1 mole? Try to understand very carefully, guys. So if I'll take 1 gram of hydrogen, what is that? 1 gram of hydrogen atoms. 1 gram of hydrogen atoms, then it contains how many particles, Ra? It contains how many particles?
6.022 into 10 power
0.022 into 10 power 23 particles.
That is try to understand, guys. So 1 gram of hydrogen atoms, if I'll take 6.022 into 10 power 23 particles.
23.
Particles per how many moles? Per
1 mole.
understand? Per
1 mole.
same way, if I'll take hydrogen atoms, what is the gram molecular mass? Hydrogen atoms, molecules.
Sir,
Sir, 2 grams.
2 grams. So if you'll take 2 grams per how many moles? 1 mole.
1 mole.
Then also it contains how many particles? Then also it contains how many particles?
6.022 into 10 power 23 particles.
23 particles.
That is only called as
1 mole. 1 mole.
understanding. That is also. So 1 mole of hydrogen atoms you can take. How many particles will be there? 6.022 into 10 power 23. Instead of atoms, you can take molecule. 1 gram of 2 grams of hydrogen molecules. Then also how many particles will be there, Pradosh, Darun? 6.022 into
0.022 into 10 power 23 particles.
Particles.
oxygen atoms. What is that oxygen atoms? 16
16 gram.
gram
gram
by 1
will take.
Mole.
Then also
1
how
mole,
many
sir.
particles will be present? 6.022
0.022 into 10 power 23 particles.
Understand? If I'll take oxygen molecules, then how much it is? 32
32 grams.
32 grams
Mole.
per mole. If you'll observe, then also it contains how many particles? 6.0.
0.022 into 10 power 23 particles.
Hope you people are understanding. So, like that. That is why we are considering atomic mass in grams. Understand, Laksha? Pradosh? Manish?
Yes, sir.
If you'll consider atomic mass in grams, then that is only called as gram molecular mass or gram atomic mass, we can say. Do you understand, everybody? Gram atomic mass or molecular mass. So if you'll take the gram atomic mass of any substance, it contains how many particles, Ra? It contains how many particles?
6.022 into 10 power 23 particles.
If you take 44 grams of carbon dioxide, 44 grams of carbon dioxide, which is also contains what? Which is also
44 grams
6.022 into 10 power 23 particles.
That is why this is called as, what we should call? Avogadro constant. What is
Avogadro number.
Avogadro constant.
Avogadro constant. So, what is the unit of molecular mass? Molecular mass is expressed in what? Gram per mole.
grams
What is that? Gram per mole means
Gram per
atomic mass, if you consider in grams per unit mole. How many moles, Ra? For 1 mole, that is called as gram molecular mass, or we can say what, Ra? What we can say?
gram
Gram molecular mass or gram atomic mass. If it is atoms, gram atomic mass. If it is molecules,
molecules gram
Molecular mass.
do you understand, Ra? Everybody, please respond me. Now,
Yes,
for
sir.
example,
Yes,
take
sir.
one sodium element. Sodium element, what is atomic number? Sodium. Sodium.
Sir, 23
Yes, sodium is Na. So if I'll take 23U, so means in the sense of what? 23 gram per mole.
Grams per
Gram
mole.
per mole.
Which contains how many particles? Which is also contains
0.022 into 10 power 23 particles.
Particles.
Understand, everybody? That is. So that is the meaning of understanding Avogadro constant. So if we'll take any substance, understanding, Ra. So the also remember, you have to remember the molar, this gram atomic mass also we can call as molar mass. What we should call? Molar mass.
Molar mass.
Molar mass.
So gram atomic mass or gram molecular mass also we should call it as molar mass. So please all of you remember that also. Jayvarshini, are you understand this one? So what is another name of gram atomic mass or molecular mass? It is called as
Molar mass.
So this molar mass in the sense of what? Atomic mass is considered in the form of what? Atomic mass is considered in
Grams.
grams per mole is only called as molar mass. Hope all of you understand this one clearly. Any doubt?
No,
Yeah.
sir.
Understand everybody? That is. Now,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
molecular mass and gram molar mass both are similar. If it is mass of atomic mass we are considering in atoms we are considering, then it is called as atomic mass, gram atomic mass. If we are considering in the form of molecules, then what is it called as? Gram molecule.
Gram molecular mass.
Gram molecular mass. So gram molecular mass is substance which is also represents how much ra? The mass of 1 mole of molecules. What is that? Mass of
Mass of 1 mole of
Mole
molecule.
of molecules.
How many particles it contains? It is also contains. What is that we called as? How many particles it contains? Avogadro number of particles.
6.022 into 10 power 23 particles.
Water 23 particles. Now, if I'll say 18 grams of water, anybody can say 18 grams of water contains how many particles? 18 grams of water.
6.022
into 10 power 23 particles.
Why, sir? Because what is the atomic mass of water? Sorry, molecular mass of water. Anybody?
Sir, water.
Equals to 18U. Yes or no? How?
Yes,
Sir.
sir.
What is the Maunis will say?
H2O.
H2O means water or Darun?
Oh, sir. Sir, H2, sir, into
2 plus
plus 1
16,
into
sir.
16, sir, 18.
2 plus 6,
18, sir.
which is equals to 18U. You understand, guys? So now, Maitreyan, are you understand? If we'll take 18 grams of water, which contains how many particles, Ra? Adarshan?
6.022 into 10 power 23.
Into 10 power 23 particles. Understand, Alana? Please respond me at least. Laksha. Jayvarsini. Not understanding means again I will explain. Are you clear, Jayvarsini?
Yes, sir.
That's all. So that is. Now, you please write, all of you now. What we are going to write? First one. Gram atomic mass. All of you write. Gram atomic mass. Gram atomic mass. Gram atomic mass. Then only you can understand mole concept. Elmukil, I hope you are clear. Darun, you also respond me. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Right. Gram atomic mass. The amount of substance, gram atomic mass. All of you write. Nobody, your friends all will face problem definitely, but you should not. If you are having doubt, now itself you can ask me. So gram atomic mass, no, 90% cannot understand. Even while I am teaching chemistry also same problem. So right, the amount of substance whose mass in grams, whose mass in grams is equals to what, Ra? Is equal to what? Is
1
equal
mole.
to atomic mass. Is equals to its atomic mass. Is equals to its atomic mass. Understand, everybody? Atomic mass.
Sir.
Atomic mass in which units? Atomic mass is called gram atomic mass. Atomic mass is called gram atomic mass. That's all. So what is the example? Anybody example? Example, atomic mass of oxygen if you'll take. What is atomic mass of oxygen? Everybody?
So
Oxygen
16.
atom. Oxygen atom.
16.
Atomic.
Oxygen 16, sir.
It is molecule, I will say molecular mass of oxygen. Whenever I will say molecular mass of oxygen, how much it is? 32. I am asking atomic
32.
mass. Understanding? Atomic mass of oxygen. How much, Ra, Maitreyan? Atomic
16.
mass of oxygen.
16U.
One atom, 16U. Now what is
16U.
atomic mass? Gram atomic mass.
16 gram.
16 gram.
Understanding? 60 gram atomic mass of oxygen means in the sense of
16
same
gram.
of you will consider 16 grams. That's all. Do you understand, everybody? 16.
Yes, sir.
That's all. That is
sir.
only called as gram atomic mass. Are you understand, guys? Please respond. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Write it. Is any doubt in this? Yes.
No,
Not
sir.
out, sir.
No. So
No,
now,
sir.
as we know, also this gram atomic mass, also we can call it as gram molecular mass. Also we can call it as what is that?
Molar
Molar
mass.
mass. That is also
Molar
irrelevant.
mass.
Okay. Molar mass. What we should call? Molar mass.
Molar mass.
Okay, write it. Also known as molar mass. If you wish to represent with, please, somebody is noise is coming. Capital M. What is the symbol of this? This one? Capital M. All of you should.
Capital
Capital
M.
M.
Molar mass we used to represent in which ra? Capital M.
Capital M.
Remember. So whenever you can see capital M, because next we are going to study mole concept. That is why. So capital M means atomic mass is considered in which unit ra? Grams. That is.
Gram.
So now, if it comes to here, so this always grams we will consider for how many moles? Per 1 mole. How many moles, Ra?
1 mole.
1 mole of
1 mole.
Or 1 mole.
molar mass of a substance is the mass of 1 mole of the substance. So that is why the unit is equals to the molecular mass is expressed in unit what, Ra? Gram per mole. What is that? Gram per mole.
Gram per mole.
Per mole.
Gram per mole.
Molar mass is equal to the mass per 1 mole. What is that? Mass per 1
1
mole.
mole.
So the unit of molar mass. What is the unit of molar mass, Ra? Which is equals to
Grams
gram per mole.
Grams
per
per
mole.
mole.
per mole.
Unit of molar mass. 90% people won't do this, but you have to remember this. Okay, so they won't. They will think that what is the unit of molar mass? Only grams, but not grams. It is what? Gram
Gram per mole.
moles. That is you have to remember it. Any doubt in this? Jayvarshini, understand?
No, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
If we take 1 mole of any substance, 1 mole of any substance. Now, 16 grams equals to what? For example, if we take hydrogen, what is the atomic mass of hydrogen? Atomic mass of
1,
hydrogen.
sir. 1.
1.
1 U, which is equals to what? 1 gram,
U.
which is equals to
1
what?
G.
1 mole.
1 gram.
1
One
young
mole.
mole.
1
1
mole.
mole.
Which is equals to what?
1 gram per mole is equal to
23
23 particles.
particles per how many moles? Per 1 mole.
For
Understand?
1 mole.
Same way, if we'll take hydrogen moleculars, how much it is? 2U. It is 2 grams, which is equals to what?
Gram.
Which is equals to what?
1 mole
Which is equals to also what?
equal to 6.022 into 10 power 23 particles.
Are you understand, everybody? If we'll take carbon dioxide,
Yes, sir.
equals to what? 44 grams.
44 U.
44 gram.
44 grams.
44 U. Which is
44 U.
44
44
grams,
grams.
which is equals to what? Again,
1
1
mole.
mole.
Do you understand, Ra, everybody? Please,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
6.022 into 10 power 23 particles.
particles per how many moles? Per 1 mole.
1 mole,
1
sir.
mole.
Are you clear, everybody? That is what you have to understand it. Okay. Now that is what we have written now. Molar mass, atomic, gram atomic mass over. Now next keep heading. What is the next one, Ra? Gram
molecular mass.
gram molecular mass. Right. Gram molecular mass.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So let's start now. So
Yes,
now
sir.
gram molecular mass. So there instead of atoms here, what will come, Ra? Amount of
Molecules, sir.
Yes, that's right. The amount of substance whose mass in grams. The amount of substance whose mass in grams. The amount of substance whose mass in grams. Whose mass in grams is equal to what, guys? Is equals to molecular mass or atomic mass? Is equals to its
Molecular mass.
molecular mass.
Molecular mass.
Molecular molecular mass equals to its molecular mass is called is called what we should call Ra?
Gram molecular
mass.
gram molecular.
What we should call? Gram molecular.
Gram molecular mass.
Understand, Darun? Darun, please respond me. Yes? Alana? Okay.
Yes,
Gram
sir.
molecular mass. So this is also. So example you can take. What is the example you can take? Gram molecular mass of oxygen atom. Molecular mass of oxygen. Molecular mass means what it is? Molecule, O2. O2 is equal to how much, Ra? 2 into 16, which is equal to
32 U.
molecular mass. All of you should remember, molecular mass means you have to take molecule. If I'll say atomic mass means you have to take atom. Do you understand, Ra? Particularly gases. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Example.
Yes, sir.
People take. What is the sodium? Just now you said sodium is 23 only. Correct?
23.
So this is molecular mass as well as atomic mass. Both are equal. Do you understand, everybody? Why?
Yes, sir.
It is monoatomic. Understand, Ra? Monoatomic. That is why here molecular mass is equals to atomic mass. But here it is not true. Understand, Laksha? Darun? Jayvarshini? So particularly diatomic molecules you have to consider. So now molecular mass of O2 equals to 32 grams. Now what is the gram molecular mass? Gram molecular mass of O2, which is equal to how much, guys? 32 grams.
32 grams.
32 grams. Is it yes or no? Please respond me.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So now here also. So this is also we can call it as what? Gram molecular mass. Also we can call it as molar mass.
Molar mass.
This is also we can say, so the molar mass of the substance is equals to what? Mass of 1 mole of its molecules. What is that? Mass of 1 mole of its molecules. Here, mass of 1 mole of its, 1 mole of its what it is? 1 mole of its atoms. And here, 1 mole of its molecule. That's all.
Molecule.
So please all of you write. The molar mass of a substance, gram molecular mass also we can call it as what, Pradosh? Molar mass. Atomic mass,
Molar mass.
common name it is. Capital M we used to represent. What is the representation? Capital M. Understand?
Capital M.
The molar mass of substance is the molar mass of the substance is the molar mass of the substance is the mass of 1 mole of its molecules. Mass of 1 mole of its molecules. Do you understand, Ra? There atoms, and here what will come? Molecules will come. That's so now one molar mass of substance has how many molecules, Ra? How many particles? Just now we have studied. How many particles will be there?
6.022 into 10 power 23 particles.
1 mole, sir.
Of atoms.
1 mole.
Not of atoms also how many?
Gram per
6.022 into 10 power 23 particles. That is why it is called as Avogadro constant. What we should call?
Avogadro number.
Avogadro constant.
Avogadro constant. That is everything.
Avogadro constant.
Hopefully,
Sir, 1 second, scroll up, sir.
yeah, you maybe understand everything clearly. Are you clear? Please respond.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Out for you all. So now that is. So now all of you please write. Question. I am giving you this. So you have to remember this 2 points you have to remember. So gram atomic mass of an element, which is equals to what? Molar mass of an element. Is it yes or no? Molar mass of an element. Now if we take gram molecular mass of a substance, it is what? Molar mass of a substance. Do you understand, guys? Please respond me. Gram atomic mass, which is equals to molar mass of an element, or else molar mass of an atoms. If we take gram molecular mass, what is that? Molar mass of a molecules. What is that, Ra? Molar mass of
Molar
a
mass of a
molecules.
molecule.
Molecules.
What is the common name? Both are same actually. Both just as
Molar mass.
so molar mass is the common name. Molar mass of atoms, molar mass of atoms. Molar mass of an element, gram atomic mass of an element. All are same. Everything is common name is called as molar mass. What we should call? Molar mass.
Molar mass.
That is. So now let us see who will calculate. Calculate the molar mass of. Now you can solve your textbook question number 6 exercise. Later you can solve. Now first you write one example for this. Calculate the molar mass of the substances. Calculate the molar mass of the substances. Ethane. Let me see who will calculate. Ethane. C2H2 is a formula. Ethane. All of you note it down. Ethane. Next, sulfur. S8. Sulfur. S8. Let me see who will say first. Nitric acid. HNO3. HNO3. Nitric acid. I want molar mass of these three. Fastly you say. Molar mass. Capital M I want. Capital M is the symbol of molar mass. Let me see who will say. C2H2, this much time. 2 into 12.
26.
2 into 1, which is equals to 24 plus 2, which is equals to 26.
26 gram per mole.
Next, S8. 8 into sulfur, how much? Sulfur.
Sir, 8 into 24.
Sulfur, Sulfur is 32U. 32 means how much it will come? 32U. 1832s are how much? It equals to
256.
Sir, 256.
256.
256 gram per mole. Now, if you take 256 grams of sulfur, which is equals to how many particles? Elmukil, Tamil Selvan, Maitrayan. 6 point. That is nitric acid. 1
into 10 power 23.
1 into nitrogen 14 plus oxygen into 16, which is equals to 1 plus 14 plus 16 threes are.
Sir, 63.
That is. So totally if you add, how much it will come? Everybody.
63 gram per mole.
63 gram per molar. Correct? 63 gram per mole. So this is what we should call it as molar mass. Do you understand everybody? Like this only in exam, molar mass means you have to calculate that. So this molar mass, what we can say? Molar mass for atoms, gram atomic mass. Understanding? Molar mass for element compounds, molar mass for compounds or molecules. Understand? If I'll say molar mass of element, then what we should come? Element means diatomic or monoatomic, you have to verify. Understand, Elmukil, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If you understand this concept, then next class we are going to study very important concept called as mole concept. So that is very simple if you'll understand this mole, this number. So that is where we will study Avogadro number there. That is all we'll discuss.